thank you very much for being available to participate in this panel on these visions for 6G. I think it was really a very interesting one. I mean, different views, but of course, no one knows what 6G will be still, so we are just exploring directions. But from your viewpoint, what do you think are really the key drivers, the key directions to explore for 6G?
Well, there are many drivers. I mean, we typically talk about some big use case areas where we see sort of where the business will come, all the way from Internet of Senses or sensor expression. We already today working with VR over 5G, AR over 5G. With 6G is going to be haptics and all sorts of sensor expression. So Internet of Senses is sort of what the general public, I think, will feel out of 6G. Then for industries, interconnected machines from scratch, basically working on sub-millisecond latency. We talk about a programmable world full of digital twins. We sort of see some of it already, but it's more. And maybe last but not least, with the carbon footprint pressure and the redesign of our energy systems, 6G will be fundamental as the fabric for balancing our world, basically from a environmental perspective. So those are some of the drivers from the business perspective to why we need it. And then of course there are other, like for the nations and for the world in terms of keeping the internet open and driving prosperity, etc., and all that. So there are many aspects why we need 5G.
Yeah, I'm sure if you wanted to list everything, we'll still be here for a couple of hours just listing all.
No, I think as you were into, we don't know what 6G is yet, and also if you just list why things, it's a long list as well, right? So you're right.
But I think you touched one of the key issues these days, which is really energy related with climate change and everything else. It will be the main drive. I mean, this has been in mobile communications for a number of years, but I think it will gain much more importance in it. Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
No, go ahead. Sorry.
No, I mean the carbon footprint or the energy usage of our network is of course something we need to work with, and it's becoming better all the time. We optimize better and better and better, but I think it's also the displacement of other industries. I mean, this COVID year has shown us that communication can actually replace gasoline.
Yes.
for a lot of uses, right?
For a lot of things, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and thank you very much. Again, thank you for being available to be part of this panel, and hopefully we'll be meeting in the future in other panels. Thank you very much.
I hope so. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.